I'm Alex from Bush Pro Outdoors, and today we'll be changing a tyre. So there's a couple of rules in the bush that I was brought up with anyway, and one of them is never talk about flat tyres. So it might be a bit of superstition, but sure enough, we had a joke about flat tyres yesterday, and now we've got a flat tyre. So there's got to be something to it. But I'm going to be using a high lift jack, also known as a wallaby jack. This one's brand new. My last one got flogged. So yeah, we'll do it safely. I'll run you through it. We're not really sure what's happened with this tyre. We did get a bit of a wheel spin going in some rocky country, so we think we might have ripped the valve stem. We can't see any stakes yet, but we won't know for sure until we've got it off and a bit of air in her and a bit of soapy water. Safety first, so handbrake on, ensure the vehicle is in gear, then we chock the wheels so that if it slips off the jack, the vehicle doesn't roll away. First up, I'm going to crack all these wheel nuts before I even put the jack on it. I'm going to get them reasonably loose, so once she's in the air, we don't have any problems. Now, as every man knows, it's no good when you lose your nuts. So make sure you put them in a safe spot. Usually your hat's alright. Keeps your nuts out of the dirt, keeps your nuts clean, and it keeps them in sight. Prepare your work area and follow the 6 P's. Prior preparation prevents piss poor performance. This is our high lift jack, also known as a wallaby jack. Some people who are weird call it kangaroo jack, simply because it's got a big long tail. So this is your mechanism. Click him up, click him down. Some of them, when they're not kept well, the springs give out on you, so you'll need a screwdriver to work it. I don't recommend that, so keep your jack oiled. It's very dangerous, but it's very handy. So the whole goal, as I'll show you, is to keep your head and especially your rib cage away from the jack handle. Because once she's underweight and that lets go, it can flick up and cause some serious damage. It could even kill you. So yeah, be careful and let's get into it. To start using your jack, find a suitable location where it's less likely to slip. I'm using the bull bar. Even though you shouldn't really jack off the bull bar, sometimes that's all you've got and your bull bar might enjoy it. Click the mechanism into the up position and start working the jack handle to lift the vehicle. Ensure that your ribcage and your head are clear of the line of fire of the jack handle. It's under a lot of tension. If it lets go, it could seriously hurt you, even kill you, and that'll just ruin your trip. This is where you take control of your nuts and you put them in a safe location and not your missus' handbag. Take the old tyre off and get it out of the way. This is where the 6 P's come into play as your spare tyre is ready to go, and it minimises time spent on the jack. Line all your holes up before sliding it on, and keep your head and your arm free from under the vehicle. It's very important to get at least 2 or 3 nuts on before you do anything more, just in case it slips off the high lift jack, which, as handy as they are, they're very notorious for. So you always make sure, as you saw, that we chock all the wheels, handbrake on, in gear, and then when we're putting these tyres on, try to get a couple on just in case she slips, so you don't snap any of your bolts, you don't damage your hubs, you don't damage your rim, you don't hurt yourself. To lower the vehicle, it's a reverse process, so click your mechanism down until it locks into place and start working the jack handle slowly. At this point, the jack handle is under a lot of tension, and if it lets go, I'll say it again, it can seriously hurt you, even kill you, to keep your rib cage and your head clear of the line of fire. This is where you nip up your wheel nuts so that they don't come off on the ruts and, you know, in the important times. You work them in a cross pattern so that they go on evenly, or as evenly as you can. That's a safe way to use a high lift jack when changing a tyre. I hope you took something from it. I certainly had a good time getting it. So yeah, chase a dream, live your adventure.